what do you want me to tell you? That it's going to be a picnic? No, it's not. It's going to kick your butt? Yes, it is. Are you going to want to die? Yes, that's a part of it. But that's just what you must go through in order to get where you want to go. And guess what? You are strong enough to do it. You're strong enough, and your life is worth whatever you have to go through.
Remember one thing, through every dark night, there's a bright day after that. So no matter how hard it get, stick your chest out, keep your head up, and handle it.
If I fail, I try again and again and again. For as long as I try, there's always that chance of getting up. It's not the end until you've given up. And just the fact that you're here should persuade you that you have another chance to get back up. There's still hope. It's not the end. It matters how you're going to finish. Are you going to finish strong?
Lay hold of it. You lay hold of it. And when that thing tells you to quit, you look at it in his eye and say, I ain't going nowhere. I will break you before you break me. You will not defeat me. You will not destroy me. Some of you are so ignorant. You've been through so much hell. You don't quit now.
You keep standing. You keep standing, no matter how rough the sea, you keep standing. And I'm not talking about just water. You keep standing. No matter what, you don't give up. You keep standing, no matter what.
Don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop running toward your dream. As you hold on to that dream, there are moments when you're going to doubt yourself. There are rough times are going to come, but they have not come to stay. They have come to pass.
I have never met anybody who became incredibly successful in any area of their life until they had suffered and sweated and sacrificed and kept their focus and fought through tears and trials and tests. And if you have a dream and you commit to it, it will come to pass.
No more excuses. No more, I'll start tomorrow.
There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. What's the matter with you?
No more accepting the shortfalls of my own will. No more taking the easy road. No more bowing down to whatever unhealthy or unproductive thoughts that float through my mind. No more. No more waiting for the perfect moment. No more indecision. No more lies. And no more weakness. No, now is the time for strength. And through strength and through will and through unwavering discipline, I will become what I want to be. I will become who I want to be.